Let's imagine Santa's factory, busy creating lots of gifts. We'll use CoBlocks to keep the presents coming, as many as we need. First, place some gifts into your scene. You can also choose any other items you like. We'll also need a cube that marks the position where our presents will spawn. Enable these objects for CoBlocks and open a new CoBlocks script. The idea is to create copies of these objects and place the copies at the position of the cube. Then, we'll make the presents move forward and disappear again after a short time. This sounds like a perfect use case for a function, so let's create one. We only need one parameter, which we'll call present, and it will be a scene item. The function should move our present forward, so choose the Move CoBlock and place it inside the function. Drag the parameter into this field because we don't want to move a specific present. We want to reuse the function for multiple items. We also want the present to start at the position of our cube, so we'll add a Set Position CoBlock above it. Inside that, place a position of CoBlock and select the cube. After that, we'll delete the present again so we don't end up with an endless number of gifts, which would slow the game down significantly. Now we need to call the function when we press play, which we can do by placing this CoBlock here. Let's hit play and see what happens. Okay, that already looks interesting. We can see that the present needs to be rotated because it's not moving in the right direction. But there's another issue. We're moving the original item instead of creating a copy first. Luckily, there's a perfect CoBlock for this called Create Copy. Place it here and test it again. Now it looks much better, but we want this to repeat forever. That works, but we don't want to wait the full 6 seconds before the next present appears. A Run Separately CoBlock will help us here. But watch out. Oh no, that's way too many presents. Let's add a Wait CoBlock in between to slow things down. Much better. But wait, what about the other presents? One of the great things about functions is that they can be reused. We can duplicate the function calls and assign different gift objects. However, that would make all the presents spawn at the same time. Instead, we want to randomly decide which present appears next. We can do this using a random number stored in a variable, which updates every 2 seconds. Then we'll use an If CoBlock, extended with Else-If options. If the random number is equal to 1, we spawn the first present. Else, if it's equal to 2, we spawn the second. And if neither condition is true, we spawn the last one. And that's it. Let's test it. Nice! Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!